For years, allegations of bad behavior followed this developer, Josh Schuster. Back in 2021, sources told The Real Deal that Schuster had misappropriated funds, claiming he built his flashy NYC real estate career on lies and misconduct. And now, 4 years later, he's facing real consequences. Last week, Schuster was arrested in South Florida on federal charges of wire fraud and securities fraud. Prosecutors allege he ran a Ponzi-like scheme, luring investors into high-end New York City condo projects, from Gramercy Park all the way to Long Island City, only to funnel their investments into funding his lavish lifestyle, covering country club fees, chauffeuring services, credit card debt, and gambling losses. The feds allege the 41-year-old developer diverted over $10 million, using some of the funds to pay back earlier investors to keep the illusion alive. On the same day he was arrested, the SEC filed a civil lawsuit centered around one of his Gramercy Park projects, where a trio of investors raised $6 million and never saw a dime of it in return. Schuster wasn't always in hot water. Once a rising star in the condo game, Schuster was backed by $21 billion asset manager Silverback, which gave the upstart developer a stamp of credibility in the industry. But cracks started to show. Accusations of misleading investors and unscrupulous behavior led Silverback to kick Schuster out of its Manhattan offices. Following his NYC flameout, Schuster reinvented himself in Boca Raton, launching a solar venture called Solarback and claiming a $300 million portfolio. The past could finally be catching up with him. Schuster faces up to 40 years in prison if he gets convicted, though he's now out of jail on a reported $2 million bond. He's stayed quiet so far, but his day in court is coming, and we'll be listening to see what happens. Keep following along on therealdeal.com.